Mode of the grouped data. How to find mode of grouped data? You studied in class 9 the value of data which occurs many times, a largest number of times is called the mode of the data. For example, you are given some numbers 7, 4, 3, 3. See in this example, the 4 comes maximum times. 4 comes 4 times. Here mode is 4. But you have to study in class 10 formula for finding mode of grouped data. The mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Where L is the lower limit of the model class. But model class is, what is the model class? Model class interval which has more frequency. The class interval which has maximum frequency, that class is called model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. F1, the frequency of the model class. F0, frequency of class preceding the model class, and just before the model class. F2, the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. The next class after model class, the frequency of that class. And H is the class size. The difference between upper limit and lower limit is called class size. See this example. Age. Different class intervals 5, 15, 15, 25 up to 55 to 65. And here is a number of patients. 5 to 15 age group 6, 15 to 25 11, 25 to 35 21, 35 to 45 23, 45 to 45 15, and this. So which is the model class? First we find the model class. This is the model class. It is the maximum frequency. The model class is 35 to 45 right here. So first we have to write model class. Model class is 35 to 45. Here L is the lower limit of model class. Lower limit is 35. F1, frequency of model class is 23. F0, just before. 23 before 21. And F2, just after, it is 14. F2, F1, F0. And H, class size, the difference between lower limit and upper limit is 10. Write the formula of mode and put the values. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F1 minus F0 into H. Just put the value 35 plus F1 is 23, F0 is 21, 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14, and H is 10. Just solve. First you have to solve the bracket. 23 minus 21 is 2 by 46 minus 21 minus 14 minus 35, it means 11 into 10. Then 35 plus 20 by 11, it means 11 1 11, 1.8 approx. The answer will be 36.8. This is the mode of the group frequency table. Like this you can find any solution of any question by using this formula of mode. Just thank you.